So these are the three tours we took today. You have the Epic Central Park Campus Tour, the Wizards Academy Campus Tour, and the Storybook Campus Tour. Hello everybody. Randallyn, what are we up to today?
We're going to have some fun.
We're going to have some fun. We're at a place called Epic Systems. I think it's a medical software company. But they have a big farm and they've got a whole bunch of different themed rooms or something like that. They have a huge 1,700 acre campus up here in Verona, Wisconsin, and we're going to go check that out. So yeah, we're going to go figure out where the hell we're going because we have no clue. But let me show you some of this campus before we do. So that's, I don't know, I think barn. And you got all this over here. That's that shed. There's some snow still left over, even though it's supposed to be 72 degrees today. You got a metal horse over here, but they got a covered bridge that walks over. So yeah, I think we're supposed to go over there. So we got to get in the car and drive over there. So we'll see when we figure out where we're going. So we were on the complete opposite side of where we needed to be. Now we figured out where we're going. This is impressive. They got solar panels above the parking lot. Huh. And look, Humpty Dumpty right here on the wall. That's awesome. This is definitely a very elaborate campus. I like it. What is it, 1,700 acres? Yeah, 1,700 acres, I think. And they have just a lot of fun stuff. So we're going to show you where we go. I think we only have an hour. I don't even know. But yeah, look at this. Huge buildings. And they're everywhere. We got, what's his face from Ants. And then over here we got a cricket. And a giant flower. Okay, Epic Intergalactic Headquarters. Awesome. So that was our tour of Epic Systems Campus. Randallyn, what'd you think?
Good.
It was good. Why didn't we show it? Well, unfortunately, they said I couldn't do a YouTube video. So yeah, I'll show you some cool stuff here in a second though. Because if you ever get a chance to do this tour, you need to do it because I probably lost 20 pounds walking and it is really cool, but I'll show you something here in a second. So these are the three tours we took today. You have the Epic Central Park Campus Tour, the Wizards Academy Campus Tour, and the Storybook Campus Tour. If we come back, they said we could take the Prairie and Farm Tour, but it's a comprehensive, illustrated, shows you where to go, and it's really cool because they got a lot of really cool stuff. Every area is themed in a different theme. Like you got Alice in Wonderland, Oz, you got a sci-fi building, it'd help if I showed it on camera, Castaway, which was cool, Jules Verne Mystery, Chocolate Factory, and Grimm in the Storybook. Here in the Wizards Academy, you have the Wizards Academy campus, and it's all themed in wizard stuff. You've got a library, an observatory, a classroom, a great hall, the guilds, the creatures room, which is really cool. Oh, and King's Cross is where you start. In the Central Park Tour, you have Heaven. You start in Andromeda, and you go to Heaven, Isis, Juno, and then Chaotech. And we got lost here from King's Cross, and thankfully an employee helped us get out. Saji, thank you for helping us get out of there if you're watching this video. So yeah, make sure you guys check this tour out. It's awesome. So that is our tour of the Epic Systems campus. Definitely check it out. It's in Verona, Wisconsin on Milky Way Drive or something like that, which is awesome. Just trying to find, we had to find the building. We had to drive around and found the building. So
You
yeah.
have to make reservations.
You do have to make reservations. It is not easy to get in here. We just happened to find a day that they had somebody cancel and we got in. So on a weekend, there's no employees here. We found one employee, I think, other than the people at the main desk. Awesome place to visit. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.